I found a funny code sample on the internet that I wanted to share. You can pause this video and figure out what this does. I'll wait. Okay, so essentially what it is a JavaScript code. We have an unsorted array. We then loop through the array and we set a timeout. And we basically console log an item and we wait for the amount of milliseconds that the item is. So basically if it's 1 millisecond, we wait 1 millisecond. If it's 5, then it's 5. And basically we have a sorted list. It's kind of funny, but then I started thinking, is it just a meme or is it kind of a clever idea? And could you improve upon it? So the time that it will take for this script to run is going to be around 200 milliseconds plus some execution time. But what if we divided the time that we wait? If we divided everything by 100, then we would only wait like 0.01 milliseconds over here. And if we divide 200 by 100, we would wait only 2 milliseconds. So we could 100x this algorithm, and that would be pretty great. But I tried that. Basically, I rewrote this script in JavaScript myself. It's a little bit different because I have a few console logs and I wanted to track its performance. And basically it's the same thing and it does the sorting and it works. And as I said, it takes 200 milliseconds plus a little bit extra. Now, the problem with dividing by 100 is, well, I can quickly show you that it stops working. And why is that? Well, it's a limitation by JavaScript because the timeout only accepts milliseconds and it doesn't accept anything less than a millisecond. So this approach really does not work, but there are different languages. So I rewrote the code with Python. Over here we have the same code pretty much. We have the same array. We also wanted to track the performance of the code. And we have the delayed print statement. And we have the time sleep. The delay comes from the array. And we also divided by 1000, which is because sleep takes in seconds as its argument. So when we divide by 1000, we have milliseconds, the same as in JavaScript. Okay, so what if we do another divide? So right now it would be not milliseconds, but 1/10 of a millisecond. And it starts working. And now instead of 200 milliseconds, we're just down to 23 milliseconds. And if we divide by 10 times more, and now the cycle only takes 6 milliseconds, but it does not sort it out because 100 of a millisecond isn't enough of a time for the whole program to go through the whole array. What do you think about this algorithm? Is it stupid or is it smart? Let me know in the comments below.